back with part two. And don't worry, this one's not going to be as long as the first one. The first one was just long because I was setting up the UI and everything. But in this one, I'm just going to show you what I did at the end of that one, at the end of the first part. And then I'll show you how to upload the project to GitHub. So what GitHub is where you can save your projects, and then if you mess up or something, you can always get it back. Also, GitHub is a place to share your projects, so like people can download it and they can have fun with it as well. So I'm going to be uploading my project to GitHub, and if you want to check it out, I'll put the link into the description, as well as I'll put a Stack Overflow link, which is a website which helps you solve your problems in Android and code in general, for other problems that you may encounter. So let me just tell you what I did at the end of the first video. Basically what I did was I put the neutral.gif onto the drawable folder, then I called neutral onto the original image view, which is right here. And then when I went over here, I'm not sure if I did this in the last tutorial, I just put the toast.make text and happy image, and I did all that. And so basically when I click if you're happy, then it'll change it to a smiley face, and if I click if you're sad, then it'll change it to a sad face. And it'll display good, you're happy, and oh wait, it's okay if you're sad. And then I'll write like, hope you feel better. You know what I mean? Okay, so now that I got that, I can X this out, and I can run it for you, and then after that, I'll show you how to upload to GitHub. So I'll be right back right after I'm done loading the emulator. Okay, so the emulator has loaded up, and what I will do now is that I'll scroll down and I'll say, if I'm happy, which I am, I'll click happy, and look, the happy picture changed. It says good, you're happy. I'll say if I'm sad, then we'll say it's okay if you're sad, hope you feel better. Okay, so that's it for the end of the toast and buttons tutorial. However, I'll make more advanced concepts in the later tutorials called intent, and that'll be my next one. I'll do intent. And basically, right after this, I'll just show you how I upload this to GitHub. So let me X this out because it lags on my computer like crazy. And what I'll do is VCS, click on VCS at the top, and then I'll say import into version control. I'll do share project on GitHub. Now if you get like some error here, all you gotta do is, I'll put this Stack Overflow link in the description. I had the error too. And you gotta go here. You gotta go to the second answer. Actually, I'll just show you. So you go cancel. I'll put the Stack Overflow link in the description anyway. Basically, you want to go here. You see this little tool thing. Click settings. Then you go to version control and you go to Git. Okay, and you see this path to Git executable. You go here and you find the path. So it's usually in app data local GitHub, and app data is a hidden folder. So what you gotta do is you gotta search up %app data and put % again, and then you click enter. And then it'll take you to roaming automatically, but you can just click app data, then go to local, then type in G and you'll find GitHub, click enter. And then over here, you gotta click on portable git something 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 something, and double click on that. Then click on CMD, and then click on git exe. So basically you just gotta copy this, X the file explorer out, click here, type it up here, and you'll let it load, and then click on this arrow, click on git.exe, click OK, and then after that click test. And if it works, it will say git executed successfully, git version is this. And click OK, then click OK. Then go to VCS, import into version control, share project on GitHub. Then over here, I'm going to type in my username and password, and I'll skip through this so you don't have to see that. Okay, so I typed in my password and username. I'm going to click login. Alright, I changed my password, forgot. Okay. And it's a set up master password, so I'm just gonna set up I'm just gonna set up my birthday. It's just gonna say that and click OK. It's gonna say invalid repository name I don't know how to say that, sorry. Repository name, sorry. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put dashes in between because you're not allowed to have that. It says name should consist of letters, numbers, dots, and underscores. So I'm just gonna say world. I'm just gonna call it smiley face app. And I'm just gonna leave this as what it is. This is part of a tutorial. And then I'm gonna click share. So now it's gonna add everything onto my GitHub thing. I'm gonna call it V1. And I'll click OK. It's gonna push to my GitHub master. And it says successfully shared on Project GitHub. So I'm just gonna click on this and it'll take me there. And now that it's successfully posted onto GitHub, what I'm going to do is I'm going to Control-C this, and I'll put this into the description. Or you can copy it right now. Pause the video and you can do that. Okay, so well, that's it for this tutorial. The next tutorial will be showing you what intents are. I'll give you a little preview. Basically, whenever you click on one of these buttons, or I'll create a new project, and whenever you click on one of the buttons, it'll take you to a next activity. So I'll do that the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Subscribe and like. And don't forget to comment what you want to see in the future. Thank you for watching.